this is, I want to cook strawberry salad. Strawberry salad. Because of this beetroot, I want to make this salad to look like strawberry. This is cabbage, very fresh cabbage, carrots, very fresh carrots, cucumber, fresh, then beetroot. Wow. With this and the white onion, I will add it white onion. I'll put it white onion. So I want the salad to be saladed like strawberry. Just, I don't have much vegetables, but I'll manage this. Anyway, I may add more tomatoes and green pepper, but that one will be, if I want to eat it, I will add that tomatoes. But this one, I'll lay this one down. But watch out for the last result. Love you, fans. Bye bye. Yes, I'm the one making it. Love you, fans. Bye bye.